2:45 p.m. At 1:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mendota to near Ladco McNabb, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather includes North Utica, Odos B, Triumph, Harding, Napley, Prairie Center, Tonica, Leland, Mendota, Earlville, Troy Grove, Ottawa, LaSalle, Peru, and Cedar Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Utica, Oglesby, Triumph, Harding, Naplade, Prairie Center, Tonica, Leland, Mendota, Earlville, Troy Grove, Ottawa, LaSalle, Peru, and Cedar Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And in the snow,